Jumuri nande nigo Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere chamba sekarori tukoria chumaine chitariki 15 nemo motenyi watano watatu mwaka w'ijirubiri na mirongo ibiri n'ibiri ekero lireri tukuri tangani kabisa anene kerege kyombegerike wajore mone chimbibe IBC Kenya dege koraria omobui wekero ekanene kyoburayi bwense Dr. William Ruto oyibonore omorayi monene bwense ya Kenya machore ekero turoje na Kenya ndete kwari ngo chasemerobiri ao kero tukanyete ose ababomo boli bwasi miuro moja mbochi kwenda sekigambiro ekero twaiwere chingo mabuna omurayi bwekyama ODM Raila Odinga oyori ekero ekanene gwetera so mobwasi miuro moja nigakagere gochigokwanira ense gekorega Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono Chinsa Isano iseto chiabono mobaso igon tokanye tuchikoyuna na iralia ojigokwana anene kirike mbikire wachone chimbe Kenya tege koralia omobui wekero kirekanene gense ya Kenya ona mange handate koba imena isko ya usine njingo kwari ne asenjera ya bene ase Chinsa Isano Ibere ringomanyina rali tekirikuru imena isko ya usigo kaba manenje wikomweryo yora sensa mirinde yo mundu manyeryo nigakurugwa Joshua Uta niriane Brighton Makoli. Komiti eri kwarigania ose kubeka chinguru no bwarigania bwo mubeka obisyo mugabana mwachore bwe county ya Kisii Bauro Simbarati nigobono ya chagire kweroberi na kubeka miroberi ya bene eri kwenda kibunango chibare gukora transition ose gukora obwerani obwasenjera yo bwene no bwasyo kuko gukwana ekero banyarite bako jake komiti ibene omo secretary bwe county ya Kisii Patrick Lumumba nigateberuna miroberi ya bene ya bekirwe eri kwenda kibuna transition ingokero rasenjera ayo bwene.
Komiti ya gendere gutwara chi pango ne yoko rosie swearing in ceremony ye governor elect ne deputy governor yae chitari kichoko beka swearing in ye governor ito cheche chitangaswe na ndito tubamanye chitariki nase swearing ceremony ego chikobera ndate gutumia libageri ne chairman ya assumption of office of the governor wakera bagusiba ito bonsi bali bamenyate Kisii presidents bonsi ba Kisii oso gwaka chikura chiabo oso morembo monene twatwara morembo mbiya tugatwara chikura chingiya na nto gatwara ekera twachete gutangazura amatokeo yo obo governor na IBC tugatwara omo sangerkano mbiya tuka omo governor ito agatangazubya ne deputy yae.
Oyole korigie kirogo kyobogumenere bwase county ya Kisii gwethere kyama gya Jubilee Person Sarigo nigobona nyarire ka wakirambe mono abakichikura nene bali basogete na kumwakira chikura akorende taigeti kubwa ekeruge ekyo ikikya bwetu na Doriston yakawkwana nigobona Person nyarika hote abuna nigo yale ngomo gokomanne anene kraba Kenya besogeti gusaba gusibe sogeti na kumwekerugo kunde bana sate birimna abairo koboko bali banyarite bakubwana bate abuna tiga bagendelia magendera se county ya Kisii asebega sabira ba Kenya bonzi kwene kimina ngora ritoro marembe na kubeko marembe ekero ensi ya Kenya yanyorira barai Amayia.
Nze nomonge na Paris bitutu nsariko oli kurigie kerogo kyobogumenere kwase county ito ya Kisii. Onko irali bagiri asoko bene nimbi yamono ase gasingi yamwakora ase obochori bubwaeta. Mwabika barai asobis kurwa soba MCA mpaka asobo president. Wano obochori bwaerire. Igonko basaba nga balitwa tutaira tubwatesi bali bachoru egere twagachi county yetu ya Kisii amanense yetu ya Kenya abarai bachoriru kurwa wa MCA bocho bochumbe kogendera bako bugabana bako president barai ababoka mbago kolega asinyento kuba bwatesi tigatuba bwatesi tubabugi mu bororo egere natonya kuba tukwaga Chinsa ito ya Kenya na into abayiga tutaira ntubwate njirende toranyara kuba tukwaga chi county yetu nonya ntuli asibirogo asinjira chiri konya twabangire twali kuchikokonya abantu tiga tubakonya nonya ntuli asibirogo unanje kubwamo no wango tebanga unanale batebinya sanyu bwanje kwaye gokoreke atubekero murayi umuronge ngombwa twagosemeringa murayi abeka nori obuchikokonya abantu baito asensemo yabang'ina na inche ase ndanyare gokora ekindanyare nonye tindi ase oborai abantu baminto nkobatebi ng'a nimbwate esi bari baraba ase ebirobu egere twagacha ekaunti yaito tiga tosaba omorembe tiga tochake toirane bono ase ensemo ya magenderero twagacha ekaunti kiagera amang'ana ya obochori bono aerire mbuya mono nyasaye oito tiga abarende abafie endonge naende ekero tokuomerana amang'ana ya obobisa bwa echikura aere toba abanto abamo twagache ekaunti yaito nyasaye oito tiga abaseseni
ekiombe kerie kia elections observers group nigo nakero kianyarege kobot koroboti rwaye rituko rero anene ng'aki obochori banyarete bokorekana ase ense yaito ya Kenya anekero bateba mbiri bia bibaroche ase obochori obonene bw'omwaka oyo.
ILOG wishes to note and remind all Kenyans that the IEBC is constitutionally mandated to announce and declare the final official results of the elections. ILOG received, verified, and analyzed observation reports from 99% of its PVT observers from 990 polling stations. These observers arrived at their assigned polling stations at 5:30 a.m. and remained there throughout the voting and counting until the results for the presidential election for the polling station were announced and posted. PVT observers reported the official results as announced by the presiding officers for sampled polling stations via coded text messages using their mobile phones. Because they rely on scientific statistics, PVT findings have a margin of error, MOE. The margin of error for the ILOG's PVT results can be thought of as a range within which the true results should fall. The margin of error is not a measurement of quality, but rather how precise the estimate is.
Asinga geje kiombe kene gyate abuna omanyakero we kiombe kyo bachori amone chimbebe wa furache bukati era niga korete egasia yebune constitution yote osiri chigori yote aba kolende ase bali batesa negete no korari goko niko babwate ribagali kwenda sekambero eli kwamereria ama kwamereri ama chiwa yo alyanyatika kubadugwa lituko ligoro.
Now the constitution gives the chair of the commission IEBC the mandate to be a returning officer for the presidential elections. So just like the returning officers were giving results, announcing results at the various polling stations, for presidential elections, it is the chairperson of IEBC that is mandated to do that task. And there is only one returning officer, and that's the chair of the commission. So when the chair of commission, the chair of IEBC, announced the results, it was his constitutional duty to do so. Now, this is not to say that the results that he announced, whatever it is, that there could have been grievances around the results that he announced. The legal channel to deal with the results after they have been announced is to proceed to the Supreme Court. And we believe peacefully an aggrieved party should be free to proceed to the Supreme Court.
Omorayo wenso mojole Dr. Wiramto ni gobono litkuri wara umerente na bali ki anene kranya deteka korari go benne bunero murai omochore wense ya Kenya anekra kwandete igoro na kiaburi tanganya lenko moji ebyombo byoborari go saba boraria ka kwana se karargo kwana na borari ni gatete buna ni go konye akomocha borari anekra tagete banyare bakobeka mangana abo asenjira yobwene batari kunererio ndebwenzi go se batari korora ondebwenzi asenjira engao ka kwana buri tukorigoro ganyarte kaote abuna erekera komoji egento gete gosekera mocheti abarari igotari abangete koneni gatagete na mbaegemea esaidia yamo.
Engage you as media outlets going forward, because I believe in the freedom of the media, and I believe the media has a role to play. And maybe just to answer her in a way, let me tell you, when I criticize the media, it's because I believe in the media, and I want the media to do the right thing. I was told, let me repeat this story, I've said it so many times. When I came to Parliament, first time in 1998, I found a senior member of Parliament called Paul Muite. And he told me, young man, I was then 30 years. He told me the best way to support a government is to criticize it when it goes wrong. I remember saying the same things to our former Chief Justice, the Honorable Maraga, that when we criticized the media when they nullified our election, it was not because we don't believe in the media, not the media, but the judiciary. It's because we believe in the judiciary. So when we criticize the media, it's not because we have issues with the media. We do not want the media to be biased. And in fact, just to respond to what you said, when I raised that issue about the media being biased, the Media Council itself came with the statistics, and they actually confirmed what I had said.
Abakenya asijinsemo nigo bagendete guchingera na gutora moko maiga ya Dr. William Ruto kuraliwa buno omurai bwensomo chore bwense ya Kenya omurai gatano bwense ya Kenya anena se county eri ya Kamega nigo bona bamenyi bensemeyo bakurawa no yokorie kero ke bagabana ensemeyo weteraso mobwa Kenya kwanza kirobas marara banyaride bawe sokia na okora etengo no muchengo asensemeyo.
IBC ilihesabu kura kwa polling station. Nilihesabu ama kuhesabu. Wale presiding officers wakachukua matokeo wakaweka kwa mtandao. Muliona ama mkuona? Matokeo yote. Mmekubali matokeo ya IBC? Nimesikia kwamba tuko na makomishona wengine si watatu ama wanne ambao wanajaribu kuleta shida. Mimi ningependa kuambia kwamba tuko na katiba. Katiba yetu inasema kwamba the chief returning officer of the presidential election is the chairman of IEBC. Na kama kuna mtu yeyote ako na shida na matokeo ya IEBC, mimi ningependa kuomba wapinzani wetu, tuko na katiba ambayo inasema mnaweza enda Supreme Court wasikie kesi yenu kule Supreme.
Hawa batani be kanisa ime ye county anaroko ni gobono banyarire bakobolia na bamenyi benseme yukwene kyana nkora libara morembe asenseme yani gagoja maega yubo tutukano wendete kwene kwa senseme yu maega yo bwete kero kyuboga bana senseme wetera se kyama kya UD Patrick Orentutu amo na bali bako na bali gosoria bwete mutarere kenta bandate kwamerani na ngobwete kero kya senseme kunde babatani be kanisa ni gobono banyare bakura menya obanyare bakotoerera na gutwara boremu na korario marembe anne karolingani yegendete kugayanu igero yekiruke bugabana sensemeyo ya Narok.
Tunaomba haswa haki ya wakaaji wa Narok iweze kutendeka. Hilo ndilo tunalohimiza katika kaunti yetu na kama viongozi wetu. Sisi hatupendelei upande mmoja ama mwingine. Tunahimiza amani iendelee kudumishwa na watu wawe na utulivu na waweze kuwa na subira.
Ni kushukuru ofisi ya County Commissioner na security team. Kama observers tumetembea mji huu na tumeona kasi yao ile wamefanya ku maintain law and order. Wamekuwa kila mahali. Na sisi kama observers na makanisa tunawajulisha kwamba kuna mahali tunaona kuna shida, na kwa dakika 5 wamefika pale kuhakikisha usalama huko.
Ayo naruna kwarianiria sumoga sobo niga korende nyora na gekoraga Chinsa Isano iso tujabana baso umurai wekema gya ODM ibo igoriye gero wetera somo bwasi miuro moja na akagere gujukwanira ense tumanyanere na ralia bwatego to moja kara kwane nense Ndizi TV ne ka senseme yende nyaro gokora tero robot yura sinjira ye mase ya mukuru wa senseme yo aguchukwanira samaga jake izizi Kenya International Conference Center no murai Raila Odinga akagere guchukorwa enkwana ya bene litko rero boigo mwanju muri karondi getigokora nigo Daniel Musyoka oyo renge returning officer wekiombe kya IBC sensemeri Embakasi East anyara kagotoka ga kwete ga sirdio bogima bwa ya sensemeri ya Orotoktok iyo nigekiombe keri kya DCI ya chakirubutuki kwena kya ningikerete ama kweli ya returning officer yo Daniel Musyoka boige karongo kora ningitake kumanyi anene abarai bali East Africa ni miaka yabo ase orugongo rwa East Africa. William Ruto kagoji gwabishwa abo murayo gatano bwense ya Kenya nigabwate miaka 55 years ekaro kwenda wikase nsemeri ya Ethiopia. Umurai wensemeyo Abiy Ahmed nigabwate miaka 46 years ekaro kwenda nsemeri ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni oyugambira se miaka menge nigabwate miaka 77 years ose miaka 55 Samia Suluhu oyore omurayo munene bwense ya Tanzania nigabwate miaka 62 years kuseme miaka 52 Karongwanda wikase nsemeri ya Rwanda gosense ya Rwanda yongonyora umurai Paul Kagame oyubwate miaka 64 gose miaka 54 igo oigwete na William Samuel Ruto agochiga esego gakwa bishuko bomurai bene wense ya Kenya nigarabe umurai yomoke asensemo ya East Africa obwate miaka 55 ekero akobwati Abiy Ahmed oiwense ya Ethiopia ino nakwarianira somo gasobono ngothe nagenda kurira ndi Steven Erobwa nsumo gusi oyongonya sensemeri umurwe manyeri nigakurukwa Choshwauta niriane Brighton Makoli korindo yoringe magaye kamera kwene kuna maliogine chivichago jira senjera bene nigakurukwa John Kebati.